Hello students, I'm teacher Alvin and I will be your teacher in the subject mathematics. So before we start with our lesson, let's go first to our words to learn. Our first word will be measurement. Again, measurement. Can you repeat? Measurement. Now, let's spell the word measurement. MEASUREMENT. Again, what's the word? Yes, it's measurement. Now, our second word is volume. Volume. Again, volume. Can we spell the word volume? VOLUME. What's the word again? Volume. Great job. Our third and last word is liter. Liter. Again, liter. Can we spell the word liter? LITER. The word is liter. Now, let's all review the words that we learned for today. Our number one word is measurement. 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 Number two word is volume. 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 Our third word is liter. 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 Great job. Now, let's start with our topic. Our topic is all about measurement. Measurement. Okay, let's read the definition of measurement. Liquids and some solids are measured by the space they use. Again, liquids and some solids are measured by the space they use. So for our new topic, we're going to measure liquids and solids. So for us to understand this, we were going to perform and do some activities that will help us to understand our lesson. So in doing our activities, we will going to need some equipment. Our first equipment will be a bucket. Again, a bucket. Very good. Maybe we can also use a tub. Again, can you repeat the word? A tub. Great job. Next, we will going to need a variety of small container. Okay, our first will be a tin can. Again, tin can. Next will be glass. Glass. Next is cup. Cup. Again, cup. Very good. Of course, a while ago we said we were going to measure liquid and solids. Okay, so for us to measure liquid, we were going to need some water. Again, water. And for solid, we can use some sand. Again, sand. Again, sand. Great job. Now that we have all our equipment ready, we can now start our activity. So our first activity will be measure the volume of water. Again, measure the volume of water. So for us to do this, fill a container with water. Again, fill a container with water. So here is our container. Our container will be a water pitcher. Right, a water pitcher. Then we already fill it with water, just like the instructions said. Now that we already have a container filled with water, we're now ready to answer the following questions. So here's are the questions that we need to answer. A. We need to use a cup. Then need to answer how many cups of water are there in the container. B. We need to use a glass. Then we need to answer also how many glasses of water are there in the container. So that is the two questions that we need to answer. In A, we need to use a cup. B, we need to use a glass. Okay, again, in A, we need to use a cup. And in B, we need to use a glass in measuring the volume of the water in the container. So let's do the activity A. So in activity A again, we need to use a cup. And let's read the instruction. Guess how many before you do it. Then see if you are right. Again, guess how many before you do it. Then see if you are right. Then the question, how many cups of water are there in the container? So it says a while ago that we need to take a guess. How many cups of water are there in the container? Let's say our guess is 8 cups. Again, our guess is 8 cups. Now, for us to know if our answer is correct, we need to fill the water inside the container, transfer it to the cup. Again, we need to transfer the water inside the container to the cup. And let's see if our answer 8 cups is correct. So the total amount of cups that the container can fill is 6 cups of water. Again, the answer is 6 cups of water. So the water inside the container can fill at exactly 6 cups of water. So our answer 8 cups of water is wrong because the correct answer is 6 cups of water. How about you? Did you guess the correct answer? Did you guess 6 cups of water? If yes, then you did a great job. Very good. Now that we're done in doing the activity A, let's go and proceed to do the activity B. Remember, in activity B, we need to use a glass. Okay? Then guess how many before you do it, then see if we are right. Okay, first we need to take a guess. Remember that. Now here's the question. How many glasses of water are there in the container? Again, how many glasses of water are there in the container? Now let's take a guess. Okay, let's say our guess is 3 glasses. Then, let's do the activity and see if our answer is correct. Now, let's transfer the water of the container to the glass. So the answer for the question, how many glasses of water are there in the container, is 3 glasses of water. Again, the answer is 3 glasses of water. So our guess 3 glasses of water is correct. Did you guess 3 glasses of water also? If yes, our answer is correct. Great job. Very good. Now, let's recall the correct answers in activity A and activity B. So the answer for the question of how many cups of water are there in a container in activity A is 6 cups of water. Again, 6 cups of water. Now, that 6 cup is the total volume of the water inside the container. Again, that is the volume of the water inside the container. While in activity B, to the question, how many glasses of water are there in the container? The correct answer is 3 glasses of water. Again, 3 glasses of water. That is also the total volume of the liquid or the water inside the container. Again, 3 glasses of water. Did you know that there is a measurement unit we use in looking the volume of a liquid? Yes, one measurement unit is the liter. Again, the word is liter. We can write liter by simply writing it in a small letter L or big letter L. Again, that is liter. So these are some instruments that we can use in finding the volume of a solid or a liquid. So let's start with this cup. This is used in finding the volume, in measuring the volume of a solid. You need to fill this cup up to its brim, okay? Or until the cup will be full, okay? Until to its rim or brim. Next instrument is the graduated cylinder. Okay, again, graduated cylinder. This graduated cylinder is used to measure the volume of a liquid. We use this graduated cylinder in finding the volume of the liquid. But how can we find if the volume of the water is correct? We need to fill it up to its mark or the label of the graduated cylinder. Okay? That is how we measure the liquid using the graduated cylinder. Now, let's go and define volume. Volume, the amount of space that a substance or object occupies, or that the enclosed within a container. Again, volume, the amount of space that a substance or object occupies, or that enclosed within a container. So for example, this bottle of water, there is a volume inside of it, which is the water inside of this bottle, because volume is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies. It means the water inside is the volume, or that enclosed within a container. So the container we're talking about here is the bottle. Okay, again, the volume inside of it is the water, because the water occupies a space inside a bottle. That is volume. Another example, we have 1 liter of milk. Again, 1 liter of milk. The total volume of this milk is 1 liter. Again, 1 liter. Next example is 1 liter of water. Again, 1 liter of water. The total volume of this bottled water is also 1 liter. Again, 1 liter. Our last example is 1 liter of soda. Again, 1 liter of soda. This bottle of soda have a total volume of, what's your answer? If your answer is 1 liter, your answer is correct. Great job! So with our 3 example, we have 1 liter of soda, 1 liter of water, 1 liter of milk. As you can see, they have a different packaging or different types of container. But they have the same amount of volume inside of it, which is, what's the answer? It is 1 liter. Great job! So that's it. So for today's lesson, you learn about the standard unit for measuring volume, and you learn how to measure also the volume of a liquid inside a container. And hope you learned something for today. Thank you. Now, you're ready to answer the activities on page 169 and page 170. Again, please do the activities in page 169 and page 170. Thank you. Before we say goodbye, always remember, wash your hands with soap, use an alcohol or hand sanitizer, wear your mask always, and stay safe. Bye!